What's going down, everybody? Jared, RedRacer video. Hey, today's gonna be fast, but it is an update. I need to keep things going because it has been a few days since the car has done a whole lot, but things have been happening. Before I say anything else, there's Frankie behind me. See this one? Nice. It's my buddy Josh's car. That car is legit. If you guys haven't seen that car, keep watching the channel. That'll be on the channel a lot here going forward. But the car is here, and we do have parts. The brake line came. It's weird though. We thought it'd come like a hard line, already bent and whatever. Oh, I got the hiccups. We thought it'd already have fittings and just be ready to go. Well, it's not. It's like a big wound up, just bulk piece of hard brake line that Jeremy's gonna have to mold and form and whatever else you do to those kind of brake lines. So not exactly ideal, but we got the part. Also, the solid engine mounts came today. So we're going to BMR solid engine mounts, much to my chagrin, because I'm not really looking forward to that. I'm confident it will make a little more transfer through the car and stuff. Noise, vibration, and harshness transfer through the car anyway. But I did get a comment in my last video from somebody, and thank you. I can't remember now. Michael. Michael, I don't remember your last name. My bad, man. But Michael said he ran the solid mounts on his car, and he said it gave him more room on a top mount twin turbo, which theoretically would do the same for me because I need to be lower also. So I think that will help me. I think that's gonna give us what we need. So anyways, we're gonna hurry and check those parts out. Car's here, anxiously awaiting. We'll check out these mounts real quick. That'll be it, that'll be done. Quickest video ever, here we go. All right, so this is the goods. These are your BMR solid motor mounts or solid engine mounts. Do they call them engine mounts or motor mounts? You know, we gotta find this out. Jordan's always harassing me for saying engine mount instead of motor mount, or motor mount instead of engine mount. Boom! Motor mounts. It is not a motor, it's an engine, guys. But those are motor mounts. Motor mounts. We can safely call them motor mounts now. These are BMR solid motor mounts. They come with a 95 durometer polyurethane bushing on the top. This is substantially better than your factory motor mounts and the huge rubber pucks and just all the movement that those would give you. But then, because we don't want any movement, we're going a little bit further. So, see here, 6160 billet aluminum, anodized obviously, that's why they're black. And these are gonna replace the polyurethane that are in there. So, if you look, there is a little more room, so those will be a tad shorter and give me a little bit more room. And it says right on BMR site, these are designed to give you more clearance for turbo applications on the 6th gen, meaning that they do drop the engine down a little bit, which will help me a little bit get the clearance I need. And then here's my awesome GM brake line. This is a right rear GM brake line. They just send you this janky big thing of flipping hard brake line and tell you good luck, figure it out. So I'm really excited. This is gonna help a lot. I drove in Josh's 5th gen yesterday that has solid motor mounts, and I'm convinced that these are gonna make my car much more race car. But, you know, what are you gonna do? It is gonna be harder. It is gonna have more vibration and stuff transferring through, and it will be a little more bumpy. And that is not super ideal when your wife likes driving in the car and having it still be semi-comfortable. So Jordan did just acknowledge, yes, they are gonna suck a little bit as far as like the overall ride quality aspect of it. The car behind me here does have a big lumpy cam in it. Not crazy big, stage 2, but it's got a good chop to it. And I mean, everything's gonna transfer through the car now. It will lower my center of gravity a teeny bit, because from what I can gather and from the comments that someone else left, again, Michael, thank you. I should lower my engine down just a titch, and every little bit helps. I mean, you lower center of gravity, you lower that much weight in the front of the car, you're lowering the center of gravity quite a bit. But the biggest thing we're getting, for us anyway, and the main reason we want to do it is, for one, I don't want the engine moving at all, and for two, if it lowers it down, it's going to give me more space between the brake lines, fuel lines, and the turbo on the passenger side. So that's where we're at. That's the fix. The brake line I didn't show you, but it's just a big round black tube that's hard, and we have to straighten it out and then bend it, and it really kind of surprises me it came that way. But Jeremy knows what he's doing. He'll make sure it's all good to go, and we'll be ready to roll. So that's it. That's the update for today. The car should be going in soon. It has been sitting out here for a while while we waited on these parts, and now these parts are here. I'm hoping we can get it in and get it done quickly. I do want to get this car back. Got events coming up, and I want to make a lot of videos about the car, and I just missed the dang thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate everything you guys have done, all the support. It's been awesome. Again, everybody spurred me to just keep these coming, even when I'm bringing you weird little random videos about a couple little parts. But the guys that are out here doing this big time, they're doing that, and they're bringing you all that little stuff. So if I've got to bring you the minutia, I'm going to bring you the minutia. So I will try to do what I can to keep that from being overly boring. But thanks again, guys. Jared, RedRacer video. Make sure you click on one of the videos around here to get caught up on everything else that's been happening. If you guys haven't watched them all, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Let's keep this thing going. Thank you guys so much, Jared, RedRacer. Catch you on the next one. Should be back in no time.